everybody, my name's Allison. I'm the Director of Risk Tolerance here at Simpler Trading. And in today's video, I want to talk about a potential trade idea on PLTR. Now, this is one I've been watching for a while. We actually took a quick win on this in the small lots room earlier this week, but I still think this is a valid longer term swing play, and let me explain why. First of all, on the daily chart over here, we have done an excellent job holding our simple moving averages as support. We have some bullish signals off of these bullish divergent bars, which is an indicator that tells us we could see a potential higher high within the next 3 bars. So that would be, a little bit more of a shorter term potential scalp trade. But on top of that, the 10 simple moving average is starting to cross back above the 30 and the 100, turning that trend bullish. We have bullish momentum crossing above the 0 line, room to move higher. Bullish signal on the compound breakout tool, and recent true lows on the daily chart. The only short-term hurdle we have right now is the ATR trailing stop acting as resistance at 192.04. However, like I mentioned, I like this for a longer-term swing play, and the reason why is the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, of course, has just been on a tear, right, with this bullish trend. But we've recently taken a bit of a pause, had a little bit of bullish exhaustion, so that's been in the process of resetting. As that's reset, the price pulled back into the 30, held, bounced back up, currently holding the 10 SMA as support, and is building energy into this weekly squeeze. So with all of that in mind, and given the bullish strength PLTR has, I like the possibility of this at the very least getting back up into the 200 price range, if not for the possibility of a break higher. So there are, of course, a few different ways you could look to play this. But one of the ways I am eyeing this is to go out towards the end of the year, start of next year, and do something very simple, like either a vertical spread. The 190, 200, 10-point vertical spread is 285. We could narrow down that spread to a 5-point width spread if you want to keep your risk tolerance a little bit smaller. That's about $1.20. Or if this is within my risk tolerance, I'd love a broken wing butterfly. About 210, so I'd like to see that a little bit cheaper. I might not get that chance. But the reason why I love broken wing butterflies is it keeps that risk small while still making for really nice profit potential. And the nice thing about a debit broken wing butterfly, which is how this strategy is set up, very similar to the QCOM trade we looked at the other week, which closed out very nicely for a win this week if you were following along with that. And if not, it's still valid, still looking good overall. But with this one, if we do end up pinning at 200 by January 2nd expiration, our max profit potential is 790. So great risk versus reward. The benefit, though, of a debit broken wing butterfly versus a standard is, one, if we get to 200 by, let's say, next week, right, a lot sooner than anticipated, or two, we're right on the bullish direction, but it completely zoomed past 200 because of that squeeze, and we find ourselves, let's say, at 215 by expiration. Well, that's okay. It has that forgiveness factor that if it goes completely in the money, this trade would still be worth 290. So once again, still a great risk versus reward scenario. So a few different trade ideas to consider. You could, of course, give yourself a bit more time if you want to from a weekly chart perspective, but I like how PLTR is holding daily support. I like this weekly pullback that it's had, and it makes for a good entry. The last time we came down and tested the 30 back here was a good place for that longer bullish trend move. So thank you all so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.
Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.